In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Vanish Mode in Instagram. Now, Vanish Mode gives you a feature like Snapchat. It deletes the message after a few times after you send it. So now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us get started. So the first step is open up your Instagram and go to your DMs. Now under DMs, you will see your options. Now just select the chat, and if you just scroll up and if you release, it will turn on Vanish Mode. Now if you type anything right here, it will disappear when you close the chat. Now to close it, what you'll need to do is just scroll up again and release. After you release, the Vanish Mode will get turned off. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can turn off Vanish Mode on your Instagram. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.